The Desert Bearhawk fans in the shop. We got the shop fire going. A little bit of rain today on a Saturday, February 2nd. And check it out. That's the aileron belt crank working off the aileron there inside the left wing. Smooth. Stop to stop. So what you have here, folks, finally I can say this, 2 complete wings done. Now, with that, is anything ever truly ever done on a home built? Yeah, not really. Now it comes time to build the wingtips. That's where my buddy Bruno is going to come in. Bruno, if you can hear me. But the sheet metal portion and the hinging and the belt cranking and all that nonsense is done. Now, full disclosure, the flap drive arms are not drilled in on either wing. They're the guys that, this is the flap input rod right here, so when you pull this way, the flaps go down and flaps up. But there's a geometry problem here, and that geometry problem is what angle do I want to drill this into so I get maximum throw, because there's going to come a point where the arm's not going to rotate anymore. The cable's going to want to just pull it that way. It's going to bottom out and won't go any further. So I got to figure out what that is. I'm sure maybe, well, I shouldn't say I'm sure, but probably in the plans there's some information. But my thought is that I'm going to get these wings mounted to the fuselage, get everything where it needs to be, and then I can start blocking the flaps at certain angles and see what we get. I think what I'm going to do is block the flaps at full down, and then set this arm for maximum leverage, and then work backwards on the problem, if that makes any sense, and I think it does. So, are they ever truly ever done? I don't know. I guess when I'm flying around I can consider them done, but for now all the sheet metal's done. Everything is connected as it should be. I got, you can see down here, I've got the wiring conduit for the tip lights all pulled in, ready to go. It's all in place. The wires are in there. On the right wing, which is this wing, the wiring for the magnetometer for the Garmin 1000 or the G3X is in there. I guess same thing really. So we're there. Balance tubes are in. The only struggle I'm having with this wing is right here. I don't know what happened here, but this whole hinge assembly should be offset slightly, actually offset this way, so I can get a longer bolt in and get this. So I'm going to have a little bit of trouble with this. I think what's going to have to happen is I'm going to have to unbolt the 4 metal hinge plates, then put my bolt in, then drop the aileron on it, and then bolt it in place. I haven't decided. It's a minor inconvenience, if anything, but we're golden. I think we're good. So wingtips will be pretty much the next thing up. I'm going to stick the fuel tank in the other wing. So I got to pull the big cover off and stick it in there, but that's a half day of just kind of goofing around. And we'll get that, and we're golden. Like I say, there's a couple of things we'll do once the wing's mounted. Another one will be once the lift strut's in place, then we're going to cut the little oval hole for the cable exit that comes off of that pulley right there. But these are all things that have to kind of be done when they have to be done. Can't really do them now, I guess. I'm not going to do them now anyway. So there's an update, 4 minutes, 30 seconds. It's a great day in the shop. There's nothing on the bench. We are golden. So with that, hope you're building something. Hope it's working out. See you next time in the shop.